if we talk about modular skill design, so let us understand what is the meaning of modular skill design. So it means combine tools into reusable skills. So what is a skill? Skill is basically a combination of sequence of tools along with logic. So modular skill design, the meaning of it is we should combine different tools, and that combination of tools along with the logic forms reusable skills. Reusable skills means the skills we can use it in different scenarios. Let us look at an example. Now let us suppose we want a skill called travel booking. Now in order to build this skill, travel booking, we know that travel booking involves, in order to travel booking, first I have to search flights, and then I have to compare prices, and then I have to select the best price and book tickets. So travel booking in itself is a reusable skill, and how I can achieve this, how I can build this skill is by combining the tools. So what tools I will be using? I will be using the tool called search flights. So this tool will be able to search flights like uh, from source to destination, and the date and time. If I give that, okay, I want to plan a trip on this particular date and from source to destination, so it will search the flights for you, the search flights tool. Then I will be needing a compare prices tool. So all the search results, the prices it will compare and give you the best search result, the best price. And then I will be needing a book ticket tool that will be doing the actual booking for me. So travel booking is in itself is a modular skill, which is a combination of three tools, and it is a sequence of tools because these tools should be executed in a particular order. So first I will call the search flights tool to fetch the appropriate flights. Then I will call the compare prices tool to compare the prices of the flights and select the best price. And then whatever flight I have chosen, I will be calling the book ticket tool to book the flight. So this is an example of a modular skill design. So skill is basically a sequence of tools plus logic. Let us look at skill representation. How we can represent a skill. So skill can be represented like in curly braces, key value. Like we have parameters and values for that. Like the name of the skills. So whenever we are representing the skill, first we have to specify the name of the skill, and I am giving the name of the skill as book travel. Then steps. Steps is basically the sequence of tools I will be calling. So here the steps will include search flights, compare prices, and then book ticket. So this is how I represent a skill. So if I talk about skill representation, first I will be specifying the name of the skill and then the steps. Steps is basically the sequence of tools I will be calling to accomplish that skill. So this is how a skill is represented. Now we will look at the benefits of modular skill design. Benefits of modular skill design. So the benefits we get is higher level abstraction, because when we are dealing with skills, it makes our life very easy, because we know that skill is basically a combination of sequence of tools. And now when I am dealing with skills, I can handle multiple skills, and whatever is happening inside the skill, I should not be aware of that. So that is what higher level abstraction I will achieve, because when I am designing a complex system, I will just be taking care of the skills. That's it. Faster development. With skills, definitely I can speed up my development. And composability, because modular skill design, it makes our agentic AI system more composed, very well structured, because I know that okay, my agentic AI application, my agentic AI system, it has got n number of skills, and in every skill some sequence of tools will be called. So it will be more structured, more composed. So that is what modular skill design.